Today on The Explainer, we're asking a big question for anyone starting to code.
So, you're ready to learn to code. Awesome. But where do you even start?
Everyone seems to scream Python, but is that really the best advice for a beginner?
I mean, Google, NASA, Instagram, they all use it. So what's the big debate about?
Python's a high-level language. Basically, it's designed to be way easier for us humans to read.
The big idea here? Make coding welcoming. Get rid of those early frustrations and roadblocks.
Just look at this. Python on the left, Java on the right. One line versus, well, all that.
It's all about the path of least resistance. You get that rewarding feeling of success fast.
So Python builds confidence, but is the easy path hiding something important from you?
Okay, let's flip the coin. Is easy really the best way to learn?
The argument? Starting with something tougher, like C++, completely changes how you think about programming.
You're forced to learn what's really happening under the hood, like memory management.
Because Python does so much for you, some find it kind of hard to switch to other languages later. So, do you just want to know what's in the box or how all the boxes are stacked? Okay, let's get practical. Where are people actually using Python out in the real world?
Is a total powerhouse in huge fields like AI, machine learning, and data science.
And it's not just for tech jobs. Python is used everywhere, from science to fine arts.
So, after all that, what's the final verdict? Which path should you actually take? It really boils down to two philosophies. Start simple or build a deep foundation from day one.
Remember, your first language is just a starting point. It's not your final destination. So maybe the real goal isn't just learning a language, it's learning how to think.
If this helps you out, do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Talk 101.